Hello, I am an intern working in LEXIS and Company, and my topic of presentation is violence against doctor, which occurred during pandemic and the enforcement of a new law regarding it. During the pandemic, it was observed that many uh, doctors and even the staff of the doctors were being attacked when the COVID patients were in the situation of death, and the doctors weren't able to do anything. But it wasn't their fault, but still they were being verbally and physically harassed or abused by the patients' families. It brought many protests in the overall in the whole country of India, and this led to the uh, bringing up of a new law, even because the present laws weren't being effective to control such acts. So the new law was passed, which is called as the Protection of Medicare Service Persons and Medicare Service Institution Act, which is better known as the Medical Protection Act, which covers the doctors who are attacked by the families of the patient, and it outlaws such attacks. The offenders can get a jail term of up to 3 years along with the fine of 50,000. But it doesn't allow any provision for the physical abuse that doctors are getting every day, and they even get it before the pandemic came. Also, it has no connection with the IPC or CRPC code, which makes it difficult for the victims to approach to the police for help or to file a complaint against the suspects. There was a research done by the Indian Medical Association, which came up with a study that 75% of doctors have faced some kind of violence on duty, physical and verbal both. And it has been worried that doctors might feel the need to leave the profession due to such regular abuses. Uh, the complaints of doctors such are that they skip food, they skip work to take care of the patients day and night, and what treatment are they getting in return for that. Dr. Nagpal, who is the head of IMA, told that even though a doctor's subject is a state subject, it should come under the central subject, as there was a topic of prenatal and preconception diagnostic techniques Act 1994. Even though being a state subject, it was taken under the central law because authorities found it as a unique problem and a common problem to all, and it would be better monitored at a central law. Same situation is now with the doctors, protection for the doctors, and it should be taken up by the central government. The Dr. Nagpal said in interview. So thank you. This is it for the presentation.